Welcome to another day in paradise. We are in Croatia, or to be a little bit more exact, we are near Split, which you can see somewhere far in the back. And to be exact, we are in the fortress of KLIS, which we are visiting. Entrance fee is 75 kuna, which is the Croatian money, and that's about 10 euros or so. And yeah, for that you can visit the whole castle, the ruins, and it's really nice to see. And you have this awesome view all over the bay, over Split and the surrounding mountains. So that's a really nice start off for this trip. There's way more to come. We just picked up our rental car in Sadar, and then we got to the apartment, which I will show you later. And now we are off exploring, and there's a lot on the list. So make sure to stay tuned, make sure to hit subscribe to not miss out on the other videos about this beautiful country. Let's go. This medieval fortress has a history of more than 2,000 years, and many Croatian kings called it their home. And because of this incredible view, it also has a really good tactical advantage, because if the enemy was coming uphill and you were fighting them downhill, that was way more easy to defend and really hard to attack on. So some facts about medieval times. We are going to keep exploring, and then we're going to head to the next destination. Let's go! Maybe you've heard of a small, not well-known TV series called Game of Thrones. If so, you might have noticed one or two scenes from this castle, because this has been MEEREEN, the city of slaves, in the series, if I'm not mistaken. If I do so, please let me know in the comments below. We drove down further towards Split and made it into the Amphi Theater, which hosted up to 17,000 people back in the 2nd century AD, and it is free of entrance fees, because you can just walk in, stroll around, have a look. And it's quite impressive if you imagine this whole giant place filled with fighters and all these filled up with terraces packed with people. What a picture. Can you imagine this epic feeling one must have had walking down these aisles into the arena being a gladiator? We made it into this city and stopped by at the marina, which has a very nice esplanade where you can just stroll around, see happy people, get some ice cream. And now we are in those inner city parks where it smells like pizza everywhere, and we're on the search for the Diocletian Palace. We will find out if we find it, but yeah, it is already an adventure. It's really nice to see the city. So I'm pretty sure we found the palace, but due to this ongoing theater or role play, we weren't really able to get inside. But yeah, still, like at night time, it is really cool, lit up. The role play was really cool. They were shouting, people were watching. It was really fun. But yeah, now we're going to explore the rest of the city, and we see you at the room tour. Let's go. We made it back to the apartment, which I will just give you a short sneak peek of, because it is 10 p.m. Our day started at 4 a.m. so we are ready for bed. The room tour has to wait for another video. To not miss out on that, check this one out. This is the subscribe button, so hit that to not miss out on upcoming videos. Also over there are more videos to watch, and I will see you over there and in more Croatia stories and adventures and more countries to come.